between going to the gym, meeting my clients, creating content, trying to track my macros and trying to take care of myself, there's just some things you just realize where you want to invest your time and some things that you are going to start outsourcing. And that is a true girl boss mentality when you know that you need help. And so, as you can tell my room, I usually need help with laundry. And that was just one of the things I decided I'm gonna be super successful so that I don't ever have to do laundry again. And of course, I signed up for this email list for this company called 2ULaundry. I saw a billboard for them on 85 and I was like, oh my God, this is gonna save my life. And so literally this company, they come in and you get this bag right at your door and you just like put your laundry in there, unfolded, anything, and then they come back the next day, have everything folded. It smells so nice too. See, like literally, Umama, the only thing you need to do is like just put it away, but I probably need help with that too. But they don't do that, but they do fold it for you, so half the job is done. One thing that I've been doing is clothes prepping, which is another thing that helps save time for me so that I don't use those brain cells in the morning to think about what to wear. I'm just ready to go. So I think one of the greatest tips is find out what areas that you just need help with and start outsourcing. It's going to free up more time to say yes to the things that you want to do, and you will just feel so much more accomplished. I was definitely suffering with dirty clothes for a while, so shout out to you guys. Thank you to ULaundry. Workouts definitely reflect the way I live my life as a girl boss. I take on a lot on my shoulders and I hustle really hard by literally putting in blood, sweat, and tears. But I honestly wouldn't trade any of this for the world. I mean, even between all the training, making videos, tracking my macros, and working with all my clients, I mean, I've learned the power of outsourcing and pre-preparing. Just like meal prepping, it's like just outsourcing things you know you're not good at or that you just don't want to do anymore. So I don't waste decision units on those things anymore.